What's happening, people? Back with another reaction, back with some more Massive Attack. And once again, massive shout out to big friend and champion of the channel, Stephan, who shared this selected compilation of Massive Attack tunes. And the one we're going to listen to next is Pray for Rain. It's a straightforward phrase, admittedly, around the world and in different contexts and in different idioms. There are cultural and religious behaviors and rituals associated with trying to propitiate the gods or God for weather that helps things grow and nourishes agriculture and provides literal sustenance in the form of water. So I imagine on some level we'll be dealing with a more figurative rendering of Pray for Rain and perhaps rain dancing, which is funny. I just reacted to an Alison Moyet tune, which is the B-side to her rain dancing track, so this feels appropriate. Either way, again, I expect it to have some figurative or metaphorical understanding or meaning, rather, but either way, it is a concept that is found throughout history and across most, if not all, cultures. So either way, let's find out what it actually is in this tune. This is Massive Attack. The track is Pray for Rain, and it's included in a selected compilation provided by a friend of the channel, Stephan. Very dystopian space jazz.
In deepest hollow of our minds, a system failure left behind.
It's the toms, but it sounds like a timpani.
Pray for rain, and their necks crane. Dull residue of what once was. A shattered cloud of swirling doves, and their eyes change as they
There's a marching quality to it.
and their necks crane as they turn to pray for rain. Their eyes change as they learn to see through flames, and their necks
The right
crane
symbol.
as they turn to pray for rain.
I think that's a little hot. A bit overheated.
Drops on rocks fall fast and fleeting. Hearts and wings commence to beating. What's unseen with all believing. Vision walls fall all receding. Vision walls fall all receding. Drops on rocks come fast and fleeting. Rhythm laws unleash the meaning.
it's morphed into something different a couple times now. This sounds like it could be a Sibian tune in one of my ambient excursions.
In deepest hollow,
We step through a wormhole and we're back. The dystopian jazz of the opening.
a system failure left behind. Dull residue of what once was.
What's it? Swirling pieces in the air with dust in the air.
A shattered cloud of swirling dust.
Sounds like things falling apart. Walls coming down.
As they learn to see through flames and their necks crane. As they crave for rain.
As they learn to see through flames, which is already a wicked line, and as they pray for rain, it sounds like, the aftermath of an airstrike, or it sounds like, again, things falling apart, buildings coming down, and the consequences of that, debris up in the air and, rubble and so on. So it doesn't sound like pleasant things are happening. It sounds perhaps catastrophic. Like I said, interesting the way the tune evolves. There was no section that was particularly consonant or uplifting or very sonically beautiful sounding. It was a heavier tune. I'd say the bookended opening and ending felt the most heavy and dystopian. There was, a couple sections in the middle of the track that had a bit more of like a groove to them. As I said at the beginning, I assume it was just the rolling of the toms, but it almost sounded like someone doing rolls on the timpani. That section and a later section where it was just a bit more straight, like 4/4 beat. Both of those sections in different ways had a feeling of like a march. So sonically really interesting. Lyrically, it sounds like it might be very tough material. I'm not sure, but another one where I enjoy the vocals, which again, I remember people saying that they do work with some different vocalists. So. Ultimately, I think a cool choice here, even if I'm not entirely sure what the sung vocals are about. So, either way, once again, shout out to Stephan. Do let me know what you think of this one, and we'll see you next time. Peace.